Welcome to HK Academy. We are all aware of the tedious task of creating unit plans, but its importance in teaching cannot be overstated. A well organized unit plan helps us map out our teaching methodologies effectively. In this video, I am delighted to present Education Copilot, an AI based unit planner that streamlines the process of creating units. Let's dive into a demonstration. To begin, open your preferred browser and visit app.educationcopilot.com. Click on Unit Planner. Next, select Let's Get Started. Here I will enter unit name. Say for example, types of leadership styles. In subject, I will write CBSE Business Studies of Class 12. Click Next. Here we have to enter the details like this unit should cover and standards or objectives. Now here we have AI functionality, so if we click on this bulb icon, AI will generate the content automatically for us. You can edit the content as per your requirement. Similarly, for standards and objectives, let's click this bulb icon again. So it has generated content for us. I am not doing any editing for this demonstration, so I will click Final Step. Here I have to choose how many lessons this unit plan will include. Here you can go up to maximum 15 lessons. For this demonstration, I will select 10 lessons. And now I click Create Unit. I will pause the video and resume once unit plans are generated. And behold, the AI magic unfolds as it generates unit plans for 10 days. Let's examine day 1. The topic covered on day 1 is Introduction to Leadership Styles. You will find the following details: lesson overview, students' objectives, and essential questions. On the right panel, you will find additional options: lesson plan. Let's generate the lesson plan for day 1. I will pause the video and resume once it is generated. It provided a comprehensive lesson plan for the day. This lesson plan you can also save in the PDF format. Educational handout. Let's generate educational handout for day 1. I will pause the video and resume once it is generated. It created a well-crafted handout that you can also save in the PDF format. The third option available is the context builder, which generates summaries for each concept. Let's generate a summary. I will pause the video and resume once it is generated. It provided context for each concept, serving as a helpful summary. Lastly, Education Copilot will also search YouTube and provide relevant links on the topic. This incredible tool is immensely helpful for teachers. I encourage all teachers to explore Education Copilot and make the most of it by generating detailed unit plans within minutes, thus saving valuable time. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.